Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògo wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà ìgbàgbọ́ sóhun mi ló jọ dìrọ̀. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Aláràgbà yìí dàníyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ndọ́. Èyí tó ní ká.
Return my stolen items. You must return my stolen items. When someone steals from you, take something that does not belong to them, take it away from you, and you want the person to return the items. You want the person to return the items. Try this tip with this coconut. He or she must surely return the items. So if someone steals from you and you want to take back the stolen items, so you can try this tip with coconut. Believe me, before 7 days, they will surely return your stolen items. If you know their name, it's good. If you don't know their name, it's also good. You can try it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Olatiboye, also known as Baba Winje. If you are new to this channel, always consider subscribing to my channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a video like this, you'll be the first person to watch it. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You don't need to call me. The reason why I share my tip here is for you to do it by yourself. You can do it by yourself. If you don't understand, you are free to call me. Yes, you are free to call me on 07037422552, or you message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. Yes, today I want to explain how to use a coconut, ground pepper, and salt to receive your stolen items. If someone steals from you before 7 days, please try this tip. Before 7 days, try this tip. After 7 days of stealing the items, you are not allowed to do it. But before 7 days, when they steal from you, before 7 days, just try this tip. It's very powerful. There are many ways to use this. Even you can use this coconut to receive your stolen glory. If you feel that someone has taken your glory, you want to take it back from the person, you can use this coconut to do that. But today I want to explain how to use this coconut to receive your stolen items. So how to do it? You get one coconut. Just one coconut is enough. One coconut. You get one coconut. You now use sandpaper, or anything that you can use to remove all the skin, to remove it, so that it will look smooth. Because there is a thing that you want to write on the body of the coconut. Use sandpaper to remove this skin. Just use sandpaper to remove it, or use razor blade to wipe it away. Then after that, you now use something to make hole on one face of the coconut. You can use nail or sharp object. You now use nail to make hole on the face of the coconut. Have you done that? You now add red pepper, atajosi. To those who do not understand Yoruba, you can read the translation of the meaning of atajosi. You will grind it as many as possible. Just grind it with a salt, a natural salt, a cooking salt. Grind it together. Then you now mix it with a little soap, Ghana soap or black soap. You put it inside the coconut. Have you done that? Then you now use ordinary soap to cover the hole so that the coconut, the water inside the coconut will not pour away. After that, you use red marker. You will circle the coconut. You circle it like this, the coconut. So after that, you now write the name of anyone that's stolen your items. If you don't know the name of the person, you can write anything. You can write return my so items. You mention the items. If it is phone, you will write return my stolen phone. Return my stolen phone. You will write it 3 times. If you know the person, maybe you are suspecting someone, just write his name. Just write his name. So person, return my stolen items. So person, return my stolen items. You can use red biro or you use a marker, tiny marker. So person, return my stolen items. Then you now write your name. Don't use red biro to write your own name. You can use blue biro. Don't use black. Use blue biro. You can use green. You can use blue biro. Write your whole name. Write address of your house where they stole from you. Write the address of your house. Write your name on the top. My name is so person. This is my address. You write it. That is what you want to do. Then after that, you leave this thing for just 1 day. Leave it at the corner of your house for 1 day. 1 day. Second day, you have to hold the coconut. You'll be shaking it. That is why I asked you to use black soap or anything to cover the mouth, because don't allow the water to pour away. Use something to cover it very well. Second day, you now hold the coconut. You'll be shaking it by saying, return my stolen items before 7 days. Return my so items. Return my stolen items before 7 days. Return my stolen item before 7 days. That is what you are going to do. Then after that, you cannot take this coconut to T junction or BC road or anywhere. Just take it there and break it, Bosa. If the person refuses to return the stolen items, he or she will get sick. If she refuses to return the stolen items, or he refuses to return the stolen items, believe me, anything wey you see na him sabi. Believe me, by the grace of God, if she refuses to return the items, and if you return it, nothing will happen to him or nothing will happen to her. But if she refuses or he refuses to return the stolen items, ó kù kọ́lọ́run. So èyí tí mo sọ náà ni bí a ṣe máa ń lo àgbọn tí wọ́n bá jí nǹkan wa tí a fẹ́ gbà padà kó tó pé ọjọ́ 7 tí wọ́n jí nǹkan yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbìyànjú àṣírí yìí. Tí wọ́n bá ti jí nǹkan wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá ìṣó ká fi lu orí àgbọn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lo àtàjọsí àti iyọ̀. Ká wá pòpọ̀ mọ̀ṣẹ́ dúdú díẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jù sínú àgbọn yẹn. Ṣá ti jù síbẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá nǹkan ká fi dí ẹnu àgbọn yẹn. A lè kán kándù sí, ká fi gidi ká kán kándù sí tàbí ká fi ọṣẹ ká fi dí. Ẹ wá jẹ́ a ti máa fi nǹkan ha gbogbo ara àgbọn yìí bí a fi sandpaper tàbí ká fi blade ká fi há. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi red biro ká fi zẹ́kù ẹ̀. Ká fi kọ́ ráǹdì báyìí. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká kọ dá nǹkan mi tó jí padà. Tó bá yẹ pé orúkọ ènìyàn tá bá suspect èèyàn, lágbájá dá nǹkan mi tó jí padà. Lágbájá dá nǹkan mi tó jí padà. Lágbájá dá nǹkan mi tó jí padà lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta. a máa wá kọ orúkọ tiwa sí ibi báyìí Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè social address máa kọ síbẹ̀. Ó ti tán o, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé síta, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé sínú ilé sọ́rí kó lu ọjọ́ kan bẹ́ẹ̀. Lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ kan tó bá ti di ọjọ́ kejì, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú dání, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣèkẹ̀. Lágbájá dá nǹkan mi tó jí padà, lágbájá dá nǹkan mi tó jí padà. Á pè bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta. Tá bá ti wá pè bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú lọ sórí ìta mẹ́ta tàbí ojú ọ̀nà tí wọ́n ń gbà dáadáa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fọ mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọlé. Tí ò bá dá padà tọ̀, nǹkan tójú ẹ bá rí kó máa rán. Àmọ́ tó bá ti dá padà kò sí wàhálà mọ́. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lọ, èmi náà lọmọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè tàyín mọ̀ sí wí jẹ́. Ẹni tó bá dìgbà mi á tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó ti yàtọ̀ sí ilé ìwá. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílíkì fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mi tá ti ṣe àtèyí tí a ti ṣe, torí pé èyí tí a ti ṣe ó pọ̀ lórí èyí tí a ti ṣe. Ó dàbọ̀.
Ẹgbẹ́ ewé ń jẹ́ iwájú ṣáàbìtì tàwa, Ọlọ́run ló dé wa láyé yìí, ṣe bóun lóhun tó ṣolókùrò wa lẹ́ṣà, ẹgbẹ́ wa ò ní tú o. Alright, èèyàn mi ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ Dr. Mutiu Táíwò Ọlátìbóyè yìí, pírẹsidẹ̀ntì ti yá ni. Èjì rẹ̀ o, wíríwírí lójú orogún, ó èjì wọ̀rọ̀ lójú